Okay, just a quick follow-up. Now that we've got the Bell family kind of set up, I did want to show you very quickly what it looks like then when they come to check in at the pool. So this is the view that the front desk has, lifeguard or whomever you've got at the front desk. And we have the default to search by last name. So as soon as you start typing, and in this case we'll go, the family name is Bell. All I have to do is have the letter B. Now everyone with the last name of B shows up, the Bronkov, Bradley, and Bell. But as soon as if I typed another letter, it would limit it to Bell. But as soon as I click on one of these, up pops the whole account. So now you'll see that even though Liz doesn't have the last name Bell, she pops up as part of the Bell account. So to check everyone in, now you notice all the images have been updated. Jake and Liz and Fiona and Henry are all coming to the pool, and they're also bringing a guest. Remember that they bought guest credits using their credit card when they paid their annual dues. So they have 24 available credits. At this club, if they bring an adult, it's 2 credits. A child is 1. They're bringing in Timmy Brosick. We add him to the list. If there was more than one guest, you can add another guest. In this case, they're just bringing Timmy. Notice that their credits went to 23. They were 24. So every time they come in, the credits get used up. They can purchase credits if they didn't have any, and we have the ability to bill to account, or they could pay cash, or they could pay with a check. So there are options. I like bill to account because then you can just send your members a note at the end of the week, end of the month, end of the season. Make sure you're up to date on all your payments. So now I click submit and complete check-in. There's Jake and Liz and Fiona and Henry and Timmy. Submit. Notice too that they were all listed as paid. I probably should show it again, shouldn't I? But that, they went through the payment process, so their information has been updated as paid. Okay, I think that's it, Joe. Not even really sure if you needed this piece, but there you have it.